If you want to make your six-pack abs pop, in other words, you want to build your abdominal muscles, but your normal crunches has just become too easy, then today I'm going to show you 3 very basic exercises and how to use a specific strategy to increase the intensity of those exercises drastically so that you can continue building your abs right there at home. Hey everybody, how you doing? Peter Carvell here. So, today I want to show you a very simple strategy, and then if you combine it with the 3 very basic ab exercises, you will be able to continue building your abs right there at home, and this workout will hit all 3 areas of your abs, upper, lower, and your obliques or your side abs. So let me quickly show you the 3 different exercises, and then afterwards I will show you how to combine those 3 exercises and the workout structure to turn this into a powerful six-pack abs workout that you can do right there at home. So what is the strategy? Pretty simple. We are going to use exercise bands to increase the intensity of 3 ab exercises drastically. So the very first exercise is we're going to use the exercise band to do a normal crunch. So I normally take my exercise bands and just put it around the bottom of my couch, and then you're just going to do a normal crunch. But remember, the tighter you make that band, the harder this exercise is going to be. So bring it up, contract it as hard as you can, and then release it back, but make sure you never release the tension completely. And then you just come back up. So we all know this exercise, but combine it with the bands and it becomes a lot harder. Next, we're going to do reverse crunches, but once again, we're going to bring the bands into place. So put it around the corner of the couch, and then put your feet into those bands, and then you're going to do a normal reverse crunch. Once again, when you get to the top, really crunch it, keep it there for a second, and then you take it back down. And then the third exercise, guys, for the side of your abs or your obliques, is we're going to do what we call heel touches. But once again, you bring the bands in, hold it on each side of your body, and then as you reach for your toe, you will have to push that extra resistance as you go down to your heels. Once again, go to one side, then the other side. So there you go, guys, 3 very simple exercises. You all know these 3 exercises, but they are effective at hitting each one of those abdominal areas. However, the problem is they become too easy very quickly. Add the exercise band and you can change the resistance to whatever level you are at. You just make it bands tighter and the exercise becomes harder. So how would I do this? I would literally just take every single exercise and do 3 sets to failure. As simple as that. Obviously, guys, you need to make sure you follow that up with a muscle building diet if that is your goal at this specific moment in time. So there you go, guys. If you like this video, click on the like button, please share it, and if you're not a subscriber, come and subscribe today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, keep it simple and have fun out there. Bye bye.